Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was an ordinary child with an extraordinary secret that possessed a magical power. His power lay dormant within him, waiting for the right time to reveal itself.
Oliver's village was renowned for its annual harvest festival, a joyous celebration that took place at the end of each summer. The festival marked the transition from the warm days of sunshine to the golden hues of autumn. It was a time when villagers gathered to share stories, laughter, and delicia. Oliver's parents, unaware of his unique ability, were hard-working farmers who toiled day and night to tend to their crops. They hoped that Oliver would follow in their footsteps, learning the ways of farming and becoming a responsible member of the community. One bright morning, as Oliver wandered through a nearby meadow, he stumbled upon a mysterious glowing flower. The petals shimmered with colors that seemed to dance like flames. Drawn to its enchanting beauty, Oliver reached out and gently touched the flower. In that instant, a surge of energy coursed through Oliver's veins, awakening his latent magical power. He discovered that he possessed the extraordinary ability to make plants grow and flourish with a single touch. With a simple caress, he could transform a barren patch of land into a lush garden or revive withered plants back to life. Excited by his newfound gift, Oliver began experimenting with his powers. He helped his parents with their farming duties, touching each seed they planted, and watched with wonder as the crops sprouted quickly, vibrant and healthy.